I'm sure many of you are not surprised that well over 50% of Americans struggle with being overweight. But on top of that, you guys, add in that most people are living paycheck to paycheck, and most businesses, over 96%, fail in the first 10 years, according to the Small Business Administration. I know what that feels like because I struggled with all of those things on my path to creating a life that I love. You feel, I felt hopeless. Many of my clients express the same thing when they come in. You feel like, you've got to reach for this program for health, this product for health, this product for money, this coach for business, and your energy is split in 5, 10 different directions, and you still feel like you're a hamster in a wheel, not making any progress. And that's why I want to introduce you to the 7-day challenge in creating a life you love that includes health, wealth, and business all in one spot, you guys. Plus, it includes tips, tools, and technology, and the #1 global nutritional pack with Herbalife, plus over 5 other bonuses. In this program, I'm going to teach you step by step with over 20 different lessons how to create a life you love in health, wealth, and business, making progress through your habits, making progress through self-assessments, and really creating solutions from within and helping you identify goals and focus on where you need to focus your attention next. So I'm super excited, you guys, about this because this course has over $500 of value, and I'm including it now for less than 10% of the cost. But I'd encourage you to jump in now because I can't promise how long I'm going to keep it at this rate. So again, less than 10% of the value that's included in this amazing course to help you create a life you love and to help you feel like you're starting to have progress in every single area of your life. That's priceless. So I hope to see you in the course.